Hey guys!
What's up?
Welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a challenge with my nail tech, Leisha. She's the one that did my sunflower nails. Y'all, those were like one of my favorite nails.
Yo, those were really good.
Yeah, I love them.
Yeah. I remember the first time you would like sunflower nails. Girl.
Yes, for real, because when I first walked in there, I didn't even know what I really wanted. I was like, I'm just going to do something simple, one color, and then sunflowers popped up. And
it just went from there.
Yeah,
it was
like
big.
She created something so beautiful on my nails. I love them. They really spoke to me because I love sunflowers, and she really killed my nails.
Yeah, so I'm super excited to tell them what we're about to do.
They're doing a blindfold makeup challenge. She's gonna do my makeup blindfolded, and I'm gonna do her makeup blindfolded. She's not gonna be able to look. Okay, wait, let me put it
I don't do this.
Yeah. She's not gonna be able to look at anything that she's touching. I'm gonna tell her your bronzers and highlights are here. We have glitters and lipsticks. I got me some Glow For Me, some MAC, Urban Decay lip gloss. Y'all know that one's my favorite, so you know how to pick this one.
You better hope I know
Pink
that's
lips,
lip gloss,
you know,
okay?
yeah.
Put that on your eye.
So we just got it all mushed up in here, okay? So I got her the foundation, the sponge, because you know I do makeup sponge, concealer, and some powder in there. Also we got two blindfolds. Which one you got?
This one.
Red. Okay, good, because my favorite color is blue.
Oh, mine's a red. Hey, that's cool.
Right? So if y'all didn't know, we live very close.
Super.
She lives like 5 minutes down the street from my house. And I never knew that.
How did you find me again?
My brother's girlfriend, Sierra.
Oh, yes. Very funny.
Yes.
That's right.
And she introduced us, and ever since then, I've been getting my nails done from her. But go ahead. What are you doing first? I'm nervous.
Alright, so I guess I'll do moisturizer.
Yeah, you feel good. You're in the right spot, girl.
Very cool.
Okay, wait, that's my eye. Okay, just a little down. We don't want to burn my eye out.
This is a bad idea.
Yeah.
That terrible idea.
Ooh, it's starting to feel like a good massage. You really like it. That's probably because you're an artist.
Yeah, because I'm like all like, ooh.
Yeah,
Ooh.
I would think that like holding brushes and trying to do thin lines, you're not really heavy-handed when you do that.
Yeah, you have to be like super light. Alright, so now I'm gonna do foundation.
Ah,
What's going on?
you want to like probably put some on the back of your hand?
You're like,
Yeah. You're about to put all my foundation in the sponge. That sponge will soak all this up. Got you. I look so light skin on your skin.
Because I'm so tan, that's crazy
Right.
because you're usually darker than me, right?
Just a little bit.
Wait, the sound effects though?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because it's feeling good.
Oh, you like it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Not
It's not so bad.
Alright.
This is some full coverage foundation, so if I look patchy, I will look patchy. Like, okay.
I can't see how much I'm applying to
I feel like you're doing good because I'm not looking at you. I don't know what this looks like. I'm
Really?
blind, girl. Without my glasses or any contacts, I can't see nothing.
Really?
For real, for real. Oh yeah, you're smart. Get in the middle of that forehead, girl. Okay.
I'm trying to have you patchy out here.
Okay.
You feel me?
Oh, thank you.
No problem.
Girl. Okay, so face powder. We just gonna get that for you.
Yeah, that's
How about
actually a
that?
great intention. 'Cause we didn't think this through.
No, we didn't really think it through. We just, let's do it.
No.
And we're here.
Okay.
Yeah, there we go. I feel more brush than fingers right now, so we good.
Okay, yeah, I'm trying to like, figure it out. I'm not
feel
trying to
you.
get your eyebrows.
I feel you.
I don't want them to disappear now because we're
Girl, I'm
trying
not
to
good
do
with no
magic
eyes.
tricks, you feel me? I'm not good with no eyes. I feel you.
So we're gonna do eyebrows next. We're gonna use Anastasia Brow Dip. Hands up, brush, product. You do your eyebrows?
Yeah.
So what do you use for your eyebrows?
This exact same product.
Same
actually.
thing?
Yeah.
Really?
I love this.
It's because it's bomb.
Yeah, it really is.
And it lasts so long.
Right?
All you gotta do is hit it with some alcohol, just like me.
I actually don't do that.
Really?
Yeah.
You just keep it the way it is?
And I just brush it out,
Oh, okay.
It makes it look more natural to me anyways, for me.
Yeah, you're
Am
doing
I
it
in
right.
the bottle?
You're in the bottle.
Okay.
You in the paint.
How do you know where the fucking your eyebrow is?
I really feel like this is gonna be hard.
Yo, it is so
I really
hard.
do. But we're gonna go in with Juvia's Place the Deuce palette, and you can't go wrong with none of these shades here. So
Am I on your eyelid?
yeah, you're there.
Okay, cool.
I got you. I have to watch you on this part.
Yeah, you think I don't want to poke your eye out and shit.
I don't want to have a bloody eye, you know?
No, we don't want
Let's
that.
be able to see when I'm done.
No, we won't like that. This is the blender that I have in my hand. Broken nail on this hand, and this whole time I'm over here using my hand.
That's broken, right?
Yeah.
It's, you want to know why? It's the one you use the most.
It was
Trust
actually
me.
my drunk Bahama day.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I was lit. Girl, I was so lit.
What? You look like you was lit out there on Snapchat. What'd you do?
We got drunk.
Really?
We did. They have like these flotation devices that are like obstacle courses in the middle of the ocean.
Really?
Yeah, we did that. My sister nearly drowned, which was the funny.
Oh
like,
my God.
right. So,
No, you were about to say the funniest thing.
Yo, yeah. Literally, my sister was drowning, but we were holding on to her, but she was upside down in the water, drowning while we're holding her by her legs.
Oh my God.
But trying to pull her up.
Oh my God.
And we're dying of laughter the entire time. We're like, how do we save this girl?
Right. Like, what do we do? Like,
Seriously.
Oh my
How
God.
does this happen?
That's when survival channels would come through, huh?
Yo,
You're like, I wish I would have watched them. Like,
right? That's what I'm saying. What is that? Oh wait, is this stuff super pigmented?
Yes.
Okay, so that would have been something I should have known.
I should have told you that. I should have warned you before you use these.
So I hope y'all are looking at this like this girl knows what the fuck she's doing. Okay.
Oh my God.
I'm just saying.
Voila. I'm
Alright.
gonna pose for the camera for you. So we got glitter. Oh, wait, we
Let's
do
do
lips.
some
Glitter. You want to do some glitter? You want
yeah.
some glitter? All right. So what would you like? I got some. So we got Glow For Me glitters. This one is Fetty Dreams, which is a chunky rainbow kind of glitter, which is beautiful.
Yeah, I want that one.
You want this one? All right. You're like, fuck that shit. I don't even want to hear the rest of it. This was amazing.
Sometimes when a girl knows what she wants, she knows what she wants.
And
Okay?
you are absolutely right. Right there. Definitely got some glitter on there. Yeah, that's high.
Damn, this is why you can't have long nails.
Yeah,
I don't
seriously.
know how some girls do it. I'm so
You
proud.
know what? They really do it though. There's a lot of YouTubers that have extremely long nails and they're so precise. Blending is amazing.
Yeah, like how?
And it's like, honestly, you could do it. It's just, I'm so clumsy and messy when it comes to like having long nails.
I'm like that with nails, so I kind of get it.
Yes. So we're gonna go ahead with lips. We have Pink Lips glitter in 1985, which is like a bright pink. And my favorite Urban Decay gloss, it's the Hi-Fi Shine in Gold Mine. Yeah, there it is. It's all gold glitter. And we got Fenty Candy Venom, which is like a hot pink.
No, I want the glitter
Oh,
one.
you want something natural? You want one natural? What you
No,
want?
I want the glitter.
You want the glitter?
So-
Oh shit, I'm holding it up in the air like you could see it in the air.
Right, so there's your lip.
Mm-hmm.
Where is the stick going? I'm just like all over the place on your lip right now. Alright. I mean, that would not be funny.
No, literally, my niece poked my eye when she was doing my makeup. We have a video a really long time ago when she did my makeup, and she went to do the mascara, and the whole brush hit me in the eye.
Oh my god.
And I had no contacts on, so I had no shield.
I'm done.
I know.
I'm so done.
It was so bad, but it was funny at the same time. Okay, so she's gonna bronze me up.
Ooh.
Give me that sunny glow. I want to be like you, girl.
Ooh,
I want
you
to be
want that
bronzy
sun
like
kiss?
you. I want to be that kissed up.
Yeah.
Okay.
What you think? How you think?
I don't want to look at it.
Are
till
we done? Is
We're
there
gonna look at it
anything
together. We're gonna do. Oh wait. You
That's
gotta
it,
do,
right?
No, you gotta do blush. Yeah, that's a good stroke. Oh wait,
Alright.
you don't need that much, girl. You're gonna have me out here looking like, ooh, Shirley Temple.
So you didn't see the first time?
No.
Okay, great.
No, I didn't see the first time.
Pretty sure I did the same strokes. Sure. Okay. Okay, so I've never done this before in my entire life, so
Really?
yeah, I'm very nervous.
This is the Milani Sun Glow highlighter.
So, okay. I'm about to make you look tribal, is that what I do?
You could do whatever you want. You said this was editorial, so we gonna keep an open mind.
Alright. You gonna look slayed.
So that.
I know it.
There we go.
I'm so scared.
What? Hold up. Wait. I'll look.
You look good. You actually
Does it look good?
Okay, so my mind, I think I fucked everything up. It actually doesn't look so bad. Did you look at yourself yet?
No, I haven't.
Okay, go.
Sorry, her.
Oh my god.
Oh,
But you
wanna know
rock it, you
what?
feel me?
You wanna know what? The highlight really did something.
Yeah, it
Oh
did.
yes, girl, you put the highlight on. Look at my eyes.
Like, what is this?
Oh my god.
Where'd that gold come from? Is that from your lip gloss?
Yeah. Oh, I see you put a little splash up there, girl.
Gives us some little thanks.
You wanna know what? It's really not that bad though.
Hello, thanks.
It's really not. Look at the foundation. The foundation look like it's pretty decent. Highlight's good. You got the blush. Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
shit.
Okay. Okay. All right. So There's brushes right here.
Yep, that's a palette.
What's that? Okay, that's the palette. And I'm trying to have photographic memory right now. So I pretty much know what this stuff feels like.
Dude, the pressure is so on when you're underneath there, right?
I know, right? Alright, so we in there. I see why you used
your
hands.
Yeah, it works, right?
I wonder if people who don't have eyes, you know what, retarded, they do.
Yeah,
use
they
their
do.
hands.
They have to.
You know those little books they have with those little imprints?
Yeah, the Braille.
Braille, there you go. Let me get over here. Like, did I get over here? Alright, so foundation is done. Then we're gonna go in with a powder. Back at it. I'm coming for you, girl.
For real.
Alright, powder. I feel like I put a lot on your forehead, girl.
Gross.
Forehead. Okay, so I'm a buff now.
Oh.
I'm gonna buff it. Make
Alright.
sure I get it in there, right? What am I gonna do next? Your eyebrows. Am I in there?
Yeah, you in there.
I'm gonna give you a natural brow.
There you go. There you
go.
go. I mess with the natural though. So
Yeah,
that's
that's
cool.
pretty good. Everyday kind of brow.
Right.
No, we can give you that. What kind of colors do you like? What are your like favorite colors?
Not colors I would put on my eyes. So
You
I don't
like
know.
that palette that we were
I don't know.
using?
I actually didn't get to see because I was blindfolded. Do you not
Oh,
recall?
you're absolutely right.
Oh. Feeling the
But this is-
macaroon and the chocolate. Even the crepas.
Oh, that's one of my favorites. It's like that mauve pinky color I was telling you about.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so pretty. What if that was a lipstick?
Right?
Yeah.
Okay, so how about you do tart and crepas?
Is it?
Yes, that's it. Not sure where you're putting that. Okay, yeah.
Yeah, I feel like I moved. I feel your head leaning.
I just did for a second. That was so funny. I was trying to help.
I want to get some of crepe and actually put some chocolate on it.
Yeah.
So with some cream. Ooh.
Ooh, some ice cream with some whipped cream.
Ooh.
Grapes are great.
You had some?
Oh yeah.
Really?
Oh yeah.
You make
Bananas,
them?
strawberries. No, the mall has You can get them from a lot of places. No,
Sponge.
that's the sponge. That's a bronzer.
This sponge. This is bronzer. And I need a bronzer brush.
Okay, here you go.
Okay, thank you so much. You feel me on your face, not your hair?
Yes.
Feeling like I'm getting some good
Yeah,
swirls.
you got some hair. Yeah, you got some hair.
I got some hair.
Yeah.
Okay, hold on.
You literally look like a Ninja Turtle right now. Oh, yeah.
A B one.
Just be careful.
Yeah, no, I don't want to drop this. Hold on. Hey,
All right.
we in there like swim well. See it up.
See?
Put it tip of your nose.
Okay. Yeah,
On
probably.
your nose.
Yeah. Oh.
The lip.
Uh-huh.
Okay, this gotta be the pink.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, how far is the brush?
That's exactly my problem. Okay.
I needed to know where the brush is. Okay. Okay, I'm done with
I
it.
feel so dolled up right now.
You looking good?
Yeah.
Damn, look at like a snack.
I look like a whole snack.
Okay. I don't even feel like I'm getting your lashes, man. I feel like I got mascara everywhere.
No, I don't think you
You don't think I
did.
did? Okay, we're done.
Well, Fanito, are you ready?
I'm ready. Dun, 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 dun,
Dun, dun, dun, dun, dun,
dun.
dun.
Oh! What? Oh my god, you look amazing!
Girl, let me put my scarf on. Okay.
I got it all in her teeth.
Look at this. What is that?
Slam. No, but this shit was really fun. I love this.
Okay, yeah.
This was fun.
It was a lot harder than we anticipated.
Oh yeah, this was definitely harder than I thought. I knew the eyebrows. You want to know what? The eyebrows really
Actually,
ain't that
I was
bad.
gonna say you did really well.
Yeah, the
besides
eyebrows look-
like this one patch of.
I don't know what was what. Like,
Ew.
you know, sometimes I lose control. All right, guys, we had so much fun doing this with you guys. Thank you so much for coming on my channel. I really appreciate you taking out the time to do that.
Don't forget to follow me at nails_rebels.
And also follow me on all my social medias. I have Instagram, Snapchat, and Facebook, and it's all at Centina Marie. If you did like this video, you had fun watching me and her do this challenge, comment down below, let us know your thoughts, like the video. If you did like it, please also subscribe. I would love for you guys to subscribe. And until next time, we will see you again.
Bye.